how to remove every image's background. So this is how to remove background of every image. Now if you have an image and you want to remove the background, but you don't know how to accurately do it, I guess I believe you're at the right place. um Please, if you are new to the channel, remember, please do like, share, follow, subscribe. Don't forget also to press the notification button so you get alert of each video we post. We will be teaching more on graphic designing and video editing. Yeah, so if you really want to know how to do graphic designing and video editing, then I guess you have to subscribe to the channel, follow and share, comment in the section below. For any question, don't hesitate to do so. All right, so this is image background remover. Now, as you can see, we are using the pen tool. We are using the pen tool. Yeah, and the pen tool is which is in the beginning of the video, which you saw. That's how it is. You can locate it at the left side of the yeah, you can locate it at the left side of the panel. Yes, as you can see. So accurately using the pen to wrap around the image. So details on how to use the pen tool will be given out. Kindly comment in the section below. All details will be given in, so you will be able to remove the background. Now this is the before and then after I removed the background. This is how it looks. Please do like, subscribe and share and follow. Okay, so I'll be posting details of how to use each tool, so kindly stay tuned as we take you through.